Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing. I bought this at Temu and let's unbox it. What we got here? So I have this one, shoe bags. So whenever you travel, so this is what I'm gonna use. And I bought 3 colors, pink, then this in gray. So 3 colors, and it has 3 packs in its colors. So this is for my daughter's phone. I don't know if it will fine. It doesn't fit, guys. It doesn't fit. See, it's supposed to be like this. I bought this for her, but it's not, it doesn't fit. So this one, it doesn't fit. The next are the bag. It's so cute. So I really love the bags, like work bags, where I can put my phone, wallet, and keys. That's the most important, that I will always carry every day. So just like this. In fairness, it's cute. Perfect for my work bag, or just simple, going out, where I can put my wallet, keys, and the phone. And it has the sling, and I bought 3 colors. It's because it's only $4. So there's the pink and the white. I like the white. Look at this. It's so cute. Look at the white. It's so very cute. And the last but not the least, so this is really my work bag that I will bring every day. So this is the expensive one. Expensive one is $10. So this one is $10. That's why I bought 3 colors of this, because it's only $4. And I have free shipping, so not bad. Leather, guys. It's leather. It's leather. It's durable. Yeah, looks durable. So this is it. And it's long, but you can adjust it. But the sling is too big. Very noticeable ang sling. It's leather, guys. It's leather. So this is $10 at Temu, and this is $4. Let's try this one. Dili lang siguro ni butangan og bugat kay para kuan siya, dili siya dali maguba. Kay nipis magudihang kuan, guys, so nipis. So it means for light materials lang siya. Okay. So dili na siya pwede pang everyday use kay very kanang nipis ba, so dili siya lig-on nga pang pang rampara na siya guys. Kanang mulakaw ka ba panagsa panagsa. Ano na siya, nice siya in fairness. Example phone, then wallet, then keys. Sakto ra siya sa mga kuan muhang everyday essentials. I like the color though. Yeah, I like this. And that's it guys. My order at Temu, pero ang pinaka kuan jud nako is this one. But it doesn't fit on Fiona's phone because her phone is always, she always breaks the kanang screen protector kay sige katagak. This one manggod. See, pwede niya masling ba? My god, sayang siya. But anyways, that's all for today and see you on my next vlog. Bye.